In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the animated glass bar effect in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to select this clip. Next, come over to Fusion over here. Next, select Transform and the rectangle. Next, change the value for width to 1, the value for height to 0.3, and the value for angle to 65. Now move your time indicator to where you want the animation to begin, and move this rectangle to the start of your clip like this. Then click the keyframe button next to center, and move the timeline indicator to where you want it to end. Next, we need to move the rectangle to the right. So you can come over here to the value for center over here, to the X and Y value, and drag it completely to the right like this. And click on Transform, and set the size to 1.3. And highlight both Transform and Rectangle, right-click, and copy. And come over here and paste. And connect the Transform 1 to the Transform 2 over here. And connect the node of this transform to the media 1 out over here. And repeat the process, come over here and paste. And connect the end of this new transform till you have something like this. And connect the transform 2 to the media 1 out over here. And if we come over to edit and we slide through, you can see what we have created over here. And that's it, guys, on how to create this animated glass bar effect in DaVinci Resolve.